Happy last run of the year.
Happy last day of the year. This one is going to be insane.
Nothing's plowed. Am I actually about to run in this?
Yes.
All right, I'm not normally a runner who runs on the street, but I don't really have a choice. About to go into Walmart. There's been so many monumental wins in 2025, but so many brutal losses too. Like injuries gone through. I didn't think I was going to get to this 100 miles this month because my knees started messing up. But here we are, the final boss battle. Amen. Let's go. I don't know if you could see it, but my eyelashes are literally starting to freeze over. It's all good. Happy New Year. Got like 2 miles to go. It's all conditions. Like sitting in my house, I was like, this is gonna suck. But now that I'm out here, after the first couple of miles, it's like every step just feels better. This is the last mile of 2025. Retracing my footprints because we're done. Last 10-mile run. Get to 100 miles, over 1,300 miles ran in 2025. What a journey it's been. Run a lot of miles, not just physical running miles, but covered a lot of ground in relationship and business and faith. And I'm so grateful to be where I am. And I'm ready to move into 2026. Let's go.